वेलकम टू आदर्श's किचन। आज कुछ हेल्दी और चटपटा खाने का मन कर रहा है। लास्ट टाइम हमने बनाए थे शुगर फ्री रसगुल्ले, तो अब बनाते हैं दही भल्ले फ्राई फ्री, हेल्दियर टेस्टियर। दही भल्ले के लिए वी नीड 1 cup उड़द की दाल which is white and about 20 to 25% of मूंग धुली dal. So now we will wash these two dals and soak them for about 8 hours. So I see that it has soaked very well. So to this I will add salt, about a teaspoon, and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. So I'm transferring this to my smoothie maker actually, but even an ordinary blender is also fine. So our dal has been blended very nicely. It is, if you can see, not very pasty. It's not very fine paste or not too coarse. So you can still feel the grains between your fingers. This is a little tricky part which has to be done with a lot of patience. So now the next step is that we whisk this up, whip it up, and only in one direction. We cannot do like this and then go in the reverse, because what we are doing is basically adding fluffiness, adding the air to the mixture. So we do this for about 5-7 minutes and then we'll go on to the next step. So nothing has to be added to this. No baking powder, no soda. Just one more test to check that if you have whipped the mixture enough, so जो आपका दही भल्ला है वो फूलेगा कि नहीं while steaming. Here is a little test. The batter, a small amount, we put it into the water, and if this floats, that means the mixture is correct and now it is ready to be put for steaming. So we have everything here now. This is the dal mixture. One hand I will wet it in cold water and transfer. I have already greased this mold. So 1 scoop I will take in my hand, make a dip inside, and I'm going to add 2 pieces of cashew nuts and cover it from the top and transfer to the idli stand. So these are our dahi bhallas which are going to be steamed just like idlis. So I take the neck, I first wet my hand. So I transfer 1 spoon, some nuts. We can even put raisins here. So this is 1 plate. Now these look so nice and glistening like the dahi bhalla, but we will see how they look after the steaming, and we will fill in more plates like this and put it all up together in the steam box. So my water is boiling in the pot, and meanwhile I have decorated the dahi bhallas with a little more cumins on top, and now I will take this plate and put it inside and cover. So a total of about 20 minutes, 5 minutes high heat and 15 minutes medium heat. So it's been now 20 minutes and our bhallas have been steamed. And let's see now what they look like. And look at them, how perfect they look. Bubbled up and look beautiful. Very easy to remove. They are so soft, so very soft. Still, I'm going to put them in water so that they will become even softer. And then I will break it to show you how porous it is. Let me look at the back. If we see at the back, we can easily make out how porous it is. So no need to fry the bhallas. I want to cut this and see how it looks from inside. Look at how porous it is. So many pores. This means that it is very light and very soft. So I try to press this. It presses also very well. Now I'm going to put this in water. So I will soak these now into lukewarm water. See how beautifully they are floating. Cannot make out the difference whether these floating bhallas are fried or steamed. So now we will quickly prepare the mint chutney. पुदीने की चटनी में we need double the quantity of dhania patta than pudina. So I have taken about one handful of mint leaves, pudina leaves, and double that dhania leaves. Then I have one small raw mango, 2 green chilies, 1 onion, 2 pods of garlic, salt, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of mango powder, 1 teaspoon of anardana pisa hua, half teaspoon of rock salt, 1 spoon of lemon juice, and the most importantly, I always add 1 spoon of, you can add sugar, but I add the sugar substitute stevia. Stevia is a sugar-free sweetener from a leaf of a plant. It has 0 calories and is safe for diabetics. To know more about stevia, please see my other video on sugar-free rasgulla. So I'll put all this together in the blender and give it a mix. We generally do not add water to it, but if it is too dry, then we can add like very little, 1 spoon of water. So I put everything in the blender jar and blended it. So this is what we got. So it should be this consistency, which is neither too fine paste. So let's quickly try and prepare some meaty chutney. So here I had soaked imli for about 20 minutes and de-seeded it. Half teaspoon of rock salt, 1/4 teaspoon of normal salt, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half teaspoon of roasted ground cumin seeds, and 1 full spoon of stevia. And mix this and add water to it. So the mixture I'm adding to the blender, and a little more water. So this I will blend and give it 2 boils. So this is how it looks after putting in the blender and putting some water in it. And now I will boil this about 3 to 4 minutes and keep it for cooling. So हमारे दही भल्ले बिल्कुल तैयार हैं. ये हमारे दही भल्ले जो हमने भिगोए थे, अब साइज़ कम से कम डबल हो चुका है इनका. इसके ऊपर हम डालेंगे दही. दिस इज़ द योगर्ट. इसको हमने मिक्स किया थोड़े से पानी में. एंड आई हैव एडिड 1 टीस्पून ऑफ स्टीविया. ये मेरी मीठी चटनी है. salt, kali mirchi, roasted cumin seeds and ground. थोड़ी सी लाल मिर्ची, mint chutney, and I'll top it up again with yogurt and मीठी चटनी. थोड़ा सा coriander. इसमें हम we can add some pomegranate seeds, the fresh ones, and some people add even small onions or semia. I don't add semia because I don't think that is healthy. So this looks very appetizing, and I'm going to taste it now.
अरे 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 मेरे पेट में क्यों लात मार रहे हो?
Oh my God, you're just on time.
Let me try this. How's it?
Melting in the mouth.
It's really very nice. I just can't figure out that it's not fried.
That's true.
It's better than normal bhalla.
Even softer.
It's soft, it's spongy, and obviously it's healthier. So, folks, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.